It is great to be here on Child Mental Health Awareness Day. My name is Bonita Davis, and as a parent, I wanted to share a few thoughts on the importance of talking about mental health with our children and amongst ourselves. Now, our children, they're the people within our family that we care for, but they're all our children within our schools, within the community. Our children are everybody's children. So it's about being conscious and aware of how all our children are doing. And with one another, our friends, our neighbors, our co-workers. This is a good time to ponder and think about why we do or do not talk about mental health. You might ask yourself, do we feel that no one would understand our situation? Do we hesitate to reach out and offer help to another who is seeming to struggle? Are we overly concerned about someone's reaction to the subject of mental health? Have we witnessed biases towards mental health and mental illness, or do we ourselves hold biases? I would offer through observation and experience that although there has been an increase in acceptance, knowledge, and understanding of mental health concerns over the decades, there still continues to be a stigma placed on mental health that doesn't exist in the same way around physical health issues. Even with all the science to support the mind and body connection, there still seems to be a disconnect in the feelings that we have about concerns with physical health versus mental health. All of us do struggle, either more or less, with mental health as we do with our physical health. But the truth of the matter is that just as we pay attention to our physical health needs, so must we be aware of and open about our mental health and our emotional health.
So, how are the children? How are the children, guys?
The children are well! Yes.
Hi, I'm Hendricks. I'm the director of the Tompkins County Youth Services Department and a proud member of the Collaborative Solutions Network, who you just witnessed many of the folks dancing. How are the children? This greeting is much more than just a custom. It's a question that has come to define the entire culture. When the Maasai ask this of each other, they invite an open conversation and are prepared to drop what they are doing to provide what's needed for the children. The children are the indicator of the well-being of the entire community. It's our vision that we, as Tompkins County, can one day answer very proudly that all of our children are well.
So I am here on behalf of the mayor, Maire, and I'm here to read our official proclamation. So whereas the East African Maasai people's traditional greeting is not, "How are you?" but rather, "So, how are the children?" And the Maasai people believe if the children are well, safety and peace will prevail for all. And whereas May is recognized as the National Children's Mental Health Month, a time to celebrate and support our most precious resource. And whereas children's mental health is an essential piece which allows young people to thrive into adulthood. And whereas the City of Ithaca affirms our commitment to giving our next generation the tools to lead, innovate, and pursue their own measure of happiness through creating a place for youth and their families to access services, resources, and programs that foster positive youth mental health, cultural appreciation, personal growth, and community connections. Now, therefore, I, Deb Mollenhoff, acting mayor of the City of Ithaca, and on behalf of Mayor Maire, mayor of the City of Ithaca, in recognition of the importance of our children in measuring the success of our community, do hereby proclaim May 6, 2014 as So, How Are the Children Day in the City of Ithaca. and call upon our community to observe this day with appropriate activities, programs, and ceremonies, and to rededicate ourselves to creating the bright future we want for the children of the city of Ithaca, so that our community can confidently answer that our children are well. Thank you, everyone, for being here. I'm handing this off to you. Amy? I'll take it on your official proclamation.
You totally would, right? Yeah, I know I started again today.